How to beat your competition through customer service. Have you ever noticed that some businesses have better customer service relationships and they're always busy versus the businesses that have horrible customer service relationships and they're empty? Because we, people, buy with our emotions. We feel what's right. We justify it with logic later. Emotions and relationships is everything. Why do you eat in certain restaurants more often than others? Could be the relationship, could be the food, could be the ambience. Hello, welcome to today's episode of Biz Coach and Coffee, where we're combining business strategies and coffee. Just like coffee, I like to go to certain places because I have a great relationship with the owner or the people who work there. That's why they're getting my business versus someone else. So what are you doing in your business to separate you from all your competition? What I'm going to tell you is not revolutionary. But if you want to beat your competition, follow these rules. They're very simple. First thing is you must have a positive mental attitude. I know we've all been in those businesses where we walk in and you could just feel the anger, the hate, whatever it is. You're not feeling comfortable by walking in there. Or they have some preconceived notion of you. So you, as a business owner, separate yourself from that competition. Always look for the good in everybody and in the situation. Think positive things for yourself in your business. And be relaxed with everyone you meet. Sell without selling. Courtesy is the degree at which you are polite and correct in your interactions with everyone. You never ever know who you're going to encounter. So you need to be polite to everyone you meet. Give you an idea. This one time I was being interviewed to be hired on as a consultant for this very large business. And they just kind of shuffled me off around and they said, you're going to meet with this guy in this room. It was a small room, very disorganized. This guy comes in. He looks like he just rolled out of bed and slept in the clothes that he wore the night before. So we had a great cordial meeting. Everything was fine, to find out that this guy was worth billions and billions of dollars and he was the owner of this company. You just got to be cordial to everybody. Next, acceptance. Acceptance is what you have to establish every single day. Express your acceptance and unconditional positive regard for everybody. Accept everyone. Smile. That's the greatest Smile. That's the greatest way to give acceptance. Agreeability is one of the most desirable qualities in human relationships. Never argue or disagree with your prospects, your clients. Never tell your customer they're wrong. We've all heard the saying, the customer is always right. I get it. The customer is not always right, but you don't need to tell them that. Don't sweat the small stuff. Let it go. And use third-party questions to avoid appearing argumentative. Admiration raises self-esteem of others and it builds better relationships. It's amazing how just complimenting someone on their personal appearance, their traits, their qualities, how does it make you feel when you receive a compliment like that? There's someone I know who's always dressed impeccable. I compliment them every single time, and after a while they might feel like I'm just complimenting them just to be complimented. Where the reality is, I cannot believe how well they dress all the time. They look phenomenal. I found out that that person had a stylist, and they feel better by looking better. Appreciation is a powerful way to build high-quality relationships. Develop an attitude of gratitude kind of thing. Thank everyone you meet for everything they do. When was the last time you thanked a vendor, an employee, for just doing something? Think about it. We also had an episode sending out thank you notes. Handwritten, simple thank you notes and gifts regularly is very, very powerful. Think of how many businesses do that and why are they so successful over a quick little teeny handwritten thank you note? Approval satisfies the deep subconscious needs of others and their self-esteem. Praise people for their accomplishments. And make sure you praise your employees in public. it means so much more to them. I promise you on that. Discipline them behind doors, praise them in public. Praise people for their qualities, their abilities. When was the last time you praised anybody for something that they did that was phenomenal? And make it immediate. So, an attention makes us feel good and valued and important. How many times have you ever walked into a place? How many times have you ever walked into a restaurant or something and the hostess is so busy texting, they ignore you? How does that make you feel? So attention makes you feel important, valued. You got to listen to what they're saying. Be an active listener when you're talking with your clients, your employees, your spouse, relationships, whatever it is. Be in the moment. And continually say, I agree. Yes, you're right. It makes sense, but only do it if it does. Empathize when dealing with a compliment. We hope these simple tips can separate you from your competition. Think about how your competition treats everyone. Are you going to be like them, or are you going to take it up a couple notches? Just follow these simple 8 little strategies, and I can guarantee you will have more business, more referrals, and people will really enjoy working with you. We hope this helps. If you have any questions or have any ideas for future episodes, please give us a call. Let us know at bizcoachsteve.com. To your business success, this is Biz Coach Steve. Have a great day.